Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at how to use the Avada Recent Activity Tabs element. By the end of this video, you'll understand how you can use the element on a page or in a layout section to display tabs that display any combination of the recent posts, popular posts, and user comments. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all new Avada videos. Alright, let's jump in. The Avada Recent Activity Tabs element replaces the Avada Tabs widget and allows you to add a tabbed posts and comments section anywhere on your site. I'm on the campaign Prebuilt here, and I've added the element to the bottom of the news page, but you can add it wherever you like maybe in a single post content layout section or on some other page. If I edit the element, we can see that there are 3 tabs, a General tab, a Design tab, and an Extras tab. It's a relatively simple element, but there are a lot of configuration and design options, so you can style this in pretty much any way you want. On the General tab, you can enable or disable the individual tabs, as well as reorder them by simply dragging them around. There are 2 post designs, with a featured image or a post date. You can display an excerpt if you wish, and you can align the tabs to the start, the center, or the end, or stretch them across the whole element. With each tab, you can rename them and add an icon and control how many posts they display. With popular posts, you can order them by either comments or views. You can even control both the excerpt length and the comment length. On the Design tab, you can style the element as you like. There are options for margins, borders, the typography, and of course the colors. With most colors, there are options for the default state, the hover state, and the active state. It's very straightforward, yet at the same time gives you a wealth of choices. And finally, on the Extras tab, you can add conditional rendering or animation. So as you can see, it's a simple yet highly customizable element to display a list of posts and comments in a tab format that can be very useful for a blog site. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more Avada tutorials and deep dives. And if you have any questions or need help, feel free to create a support ticket. Our team is always ready to help. As always, thank you for choosing Avada.